Hi everybody, Hoosier Green Thumb coming at you today with a channel update. But a little bit about that first. I don't know if you've had many of these types of days, but I had a complete list of all the things I wanted to talk about in my first channel update, and somewhere it kind of vanished on me. So I have no idea what the list is anymore, so I have to just kind of shoot it from the hip or whatever. So yeah, first of all, I have to thank you all very much for the support. Today I'm coming to you from the winter wonderland of Schleswig-Holstein in Germany. We just got some surprise snow, and so while I'm taking the moment to do some video work, I just realized it's been forever since never that I've done a channel update. So I just wanted to check in real quick and talk about a couple of things. Started 6 years ago, just me uploading, or I think my account is older than that, but 6 years ago I uploaded a video about potatoes in my garden here. I do little experiments throughout the years. I garden every year, but I didn't do something about it until recently. Now, over all this time, 900 of you have come together to support me and subscribe to my channel. I am so grateful for the 900. 100 more and it goes into monetization, and I can try to make things more serious. Either way, that's why I wanted to bring up the channel update. Another point I wanted to bring up was what kind of videos, what styles, what kind of things do you like about what I have done, and what would you like to see me do differently. I've had a strong learning curve with everything from the GoPro. Most of the videos, one, are either aimed at my feet, or because I was trying to conceal it from the second camera, you just get the inside of my hoodie, and that's why I've kind of had to scrap a lot of the video. So it's a hard learning curve there. I've also had to learn a lot with the video editing software. There have been many issues with the audio where I guess it's not even a software glitch, it's just a way of the programming, and I didn't know until I got to rendering that certain things didn't work together. So I'm learning all these kind of other sides, but the thing I don't know tons about is what you actually want to see. Up to now, it's just been my kind of passion projects. It's the day-to-day in my garden of what I need to get done, and what things I would like to improve, the things I would like to work towards. I mean, this year we renovated our winter garden. That was not much with the gardening, so I just kind of left it out. But from the different styles, it seems that I'm kind of resting on a lot of garden work done with some music on the side. Future video types, what I'm thinking when it comes to mini-series or just things I can do more regularly, is like a pepper check. I basically have peppers all year round. Right now in the winter garden, I hope to make a video soon. There are 2 bell peppers, a habanero, a Carolina Reaper, and a couple of others, Benny Highland. But I don't know exactly what it is that I want to show with it, other than just kind of the day-to-day, the things I have to watch out for myself, and things you can look forward to. One of the things that is going to come up soon is a pepper check, because it's almost time to start sowing your pepper seeds. Another of the mini-series I'm kind of thinking about is one with our property. We bought a property in 2012 to build our house on, and it went catastrophically wrong. We weren't allowed to build. It cost us it costs us so much money, it's unbelievable. But we're lucky that we survived it, and as everybody does, you stand up, you kind of dust yourself off, and then you keep going. And so that's all that we've kind of had to do. But I'm thinking of trying to do some project with the channel once it gets to a certain size, and once I have a better idea of exactly what it is I want to do, of renovating this property. It is a 1,200 square meter property, just a flat rectangle. It's too close to a pigsty, and because of building directives put down by the state of Schleswig-Holstein in 2008, 2009, we weren't allowed to build. Spilt milk, we've moved past it, but it is still an idea that I have thought about often of returning to, because we can literally turn it into anything. We can even make a pond or something like that, and that's where I want to, over time, collect ideas and see what I can do with you guys. So far, I'm not doing too horrible without the list, but now when it gets to the nitty-gritty and remembering all those little last things, what is it that I forgot? So when it comes to the mini-series, I'm talking about a pepper check. I let my girls run around with the camera a lot of times at a horse and pony, and they seem to really enjoy it. Not always with the camera, but they seem to enjoy it over there, and that's something I can also incorporate. I'm thinking of doing quite a few types of how-to videos, just covering the basics. So how to germinate and things to watch out for. And that's where I will also build it off of what you guys kind of say. The more I kind of see what you would like, the more we can build this community, and it can be a more interactive thing. I don't have most of the things set up for anything at the moment, but it's because it's just a hobby that's starting to spill over. And I'm taking advantage of the time that I can spend with my family and my garden during the pandemic. When I think back over the time since the restart, which was basically July last year, yeah, it's been amazing when I look at all the videos of all the things I've gotten to do. And my kids are driving me insane, slowly but surely. But the thing I do also recognize is it has been amazing to be able to spend this much time with my kids. And so when this is all over and we look back at what life is, there are many positives. And so I'm just trying to always cling to the positives that I can see. Now, the problem is I always sound like a negative or a pessimist to most of my students, but that's just my style. So I think that's going to have to wrap it up for this first channel update. Of course, there are some points that are gone, but I am trying to get over the learning curve, like I said, of the video. I am trying to get used to other equipment like the wireless microphone. You don't know how many times I've recorded an entire video and then there was no sound. Speaking of which, sweetness! Because you have no idea how many times I've made a video and I was all done, get into post-production, and there is no sound. And so I've either had to do a voiceover or add something in. Either way, it's been a fun, interesting journey this whole time. I thank you guys for being here the entire time with me, and I look forward to coming out with more videos for you guys about all the crap that I'm doing around here. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again next time.